Another thing that hasn't changed is the length of this fixture here. Let's see what's wrong with it. Equations. Double click. Select this value, global variables, height times parentheses 25/60. Select this value, length times parentheses 25/125, enter. Select this value, height times parentheses 9/60. Here we can go to the sliding jaw. We can say that this value I want it to be equal with yes 25 with, perfect. I want it to be equal with this value. Enter. Now select add equation, select this value here, go to the sliding jaw, find the 7.5, which is this one, select this value, select OK, add equation, select this value here, and I want it to be equal with the 9, D3 sketch 3, enter, add value, add equation, 6, I want it to be equal with this D4 sketch 3 here, and press enter. Perfect. Right. Select OK. Perfect.